In a study, adding rosemary extract to beef patties before grilling slashed the production of harmful high-heat compounds by up to 90%. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller. Here's a simple tip for a healthier barbecue. Cooking meat at high temperatures like grilling can create cancer-causing substances. But here's an herb that counters it: rosemary. Yep, mixing some rosemary into your burgers may make them not only tastier, but safer and healthier too. In a study, adding rosemary extract to beef patties before grilling slashed the production of harmful high-heat compounds by up to 90%. The cancer-causing substances created by high-heat grilling are called heterocyclic amines, or HCAs. They form when amino acids and creatine react together under high temps. But rosemary is high in antioxidants that may neutralize HCAs. Thyme, sage, and garlic may also help reduce HCAs. In addition to adding rosemary and other herbs to grilled meats, you can reduce HCAs by cooking at lower temperatures and frequently turning meat on the grill. To discover more great ways to nourish your health, watch and share all our smart tips right here.